Have you ever heard someone saying your gut brain is the second brain? And there is some truth in that. It's one of the largest organs. So in surface area, it can cover about the size of a tennis court. It's an organ. Your colon is your small and large intestines, and it goes about 15 feet long and opening up with all the microvilli. It's a surface area of about a tennis court. It's a huge organ, and it has a lot of contribution to how you make certain hormones. GLP-1 being certainly very popular these days. Also some neurotransmitters, which can affect your emotional stability or your emotional experience. It can affect the brain in certain ways. So they call it a second brain because it is connected to the brain a lot of different ways. And there's a lot of associations. A lot of times in social media, there's a lot of cause and effect, which is not exactly accurate statistically. Association just means they're associated, but not one causes the other. So a lot of times in research, you want to pay attention when they say there's an association. It doesn't necessarily mean that turkey creates serotonin or serotonin affects turkey. It's more complicated than that. There's a lot of research that discusses these relationships, and there can be more research done on how interventions can have a cause and effect. But that takes time, that takes a lot of observation, that takes very, very well done, trialed research studies that don't cause harm, because we can't cause humans harm. And it takes just... Science is slow and methodical and done for a reason. Sales is quick and more of a hunting game. And so you want to be skeptical when you're in health and wellness when someone says they have a cure-all, fix-all for everybody, because that's never true. It's never black and white. But what works for somebody might work for somebody else. So sharing your story is powerful. But again, that's not science, that's anecdotal. Gut health is difficult. There's not one size fits all. And ask questions, stay skeptical. And I'm not even sure if this video has any answers, but maybe it got you to think. If you need any help figuring out what is the next best step for you, seeing a registered dietitian, seeing a health coach, someone that can help unpuzzle your story is best. Having you say, okay, what is it that I need next? That's a great question that you can be asked. That shows you that person is trying to help you, not help them. Hope this helps. Okay, bye.